welcome to Camaro Mods channel. You guys are sure giving me a hard time about this throttle body last week. Tell me I should have got the overkill. Had to do a relearn. But yeah, I didn't do my homework on it. But guess what? I don't feel so bad now. And look what it says right there. Out of stock. So I don't feel so bad about this now. I mean, I should do a little bit more homework on this, but this throttle body's out of stock, so my Porter one from Tracy Lewis will be fine for now. I mean, I'd like to get one eventually. I am going to go ahead and get the intake manifold. I'm going to get that ordered, and I'm going to go ahead and get the spacer ordered. This is the spacer. It's around $200, and that's what it looks like. It's 3/4 inch, and it fits right under your intake manifold. And it's got your O-rings all built into it. So this one is in stock, and this is the LFX intake manifold, and it says it's made to order. Last week it was out of stock, so I don't know if you gotta send in your intake manifold and they port it out, or if that price is $450. So I'm sure that's for the intake and having it ported out. But I wonder if you can get it cheaper if you have it, if you send yours in and have it ported out. Now it also has two options down here. You have the .72mm for the stock, and you also have the 80mm. That's for the overkill throttle body. So I'm going to go ahead and order the 80mm. It's an extra $50, so it'll be $500 for the intake manifold by itself. That's a little bit steep, but I heard they really work good. It really opens them up. And then also the spacer between it that I showed you earlier. But that's the overkill throttle body. That's the spacer. That's $199. So we'll get that ordered. And that's all done with CNC machines. It's all cut out. There's a video on YouTube if you want to go and look at it. But we'll get that ordered in the next month or so, but no big rush on it. I got some other things I want to get done on it first. But today we're going to work on the Roto Fab cold air intake. We're going to get that put on the car today. And there's one other thing I want to show you. I got this splitter on the way. I was seriously considering making one of these out of fiberglass. I was seriously thinking about making one of these, but I wouldn't be able to do all this, the side wings on it. And it'd probably just be more straight across here than I'd, build it out of fiberglass. But that's kind of got some cutouts here. And I've got the support rods. I've had them for months. I bought them when they was on sale. 2 of these. But on mine, I'm going to have the support rods more in the center over here, instead of out here on the sides. Okay, this is the cold air intake. I need to unwrap all this stuff. Well, this is going to take a while. So Wow, that's quick. Here's the Roto Fab. Filter. That's where your mass airflow sensor goes. But all your elbows and all your pieces and parts. And well, let's get over to the car and let's get this thing put on. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take this elbow off right here. Seems to me like we just put this on last week. Okay, we'll pull the back on this. Unplug the mass airflow sensor. Okay, now we're gonna take off the box here. A couple bolts here. They're probably 10 millimeter. Okay, we got all that out of there. Okay, we got the rubber trim on here and this piece here. It needs to go down into the rubber grommet down below. Make sure it sits down in there good. Okay. It seals it all up nice. Now we got the rubber trim that goes on top here. Now we'll bolt it down. Show you the screw holes real quick. Got the screws inside the piece there. Okay, now we got all these screws put in. Now we're ready for the mass airflow sensor. Okay, this mass airflow sensor has the star bits on it. We'll have to get that taken off. Okay, now we'll plug it in. Now we're ready for the filter. See this reducer that comes with it? That's the 72 millimeter. I'm not sure what size this goes out to, but it'll definitely fit a 80 millimeter. You'll have to buy another adapter here when you get the overkill throttle body. I'll stick this boot on there. Okay, I had to wind up putting this end on first, and then sticking this on second. Now I gotta get this one back on. So it fits in there pretty tight. Okay, now we'll do the PVC line. Pull the 90 off. Just stick on your short piece to come with it. Okay, got the Roto Fab cold air intake on here. So thanks for watching.